We are at an updated 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhome. This one has some new flooring and some new kitchen materials. So when you walk in, you have a ton of natural light in here, and look at all this space. Again, these floors look fantastic, really lighten it up. Then we walk straight back, and like I said, this one does have a half bath on the main floor. So that's right here next to your kitchen. And then here is your kitchen. And so this one does have enough space for a kitchen table in here. And then let's take a look at this updated kitchen. Lots of counter space, lots of cabinets as well, and you have the black appliances in here. And then over here you have a kitchen pantry, some extra shelving. I'll give you a look for this from the back here so you can see. And one of my favorite pieces of these townhomes is this fenced in patio space. So you do have quite a bit of space out here that's fenced in. All right, let's take a look. This one also has this coat closet here in the hallway. And then these townhomes have a partially finished basement. So I'll take you down here. Right, so here's the finished part. And then right back here, you actually have the unfinished part where your washer and dryer hookup are. It's a little dark, we need some floor lamps in here, but there is actual space here that can be used. Right, let's go check out upstairs. This is the living space from a different angle. Right at the top of the stairs, we have a linen closet. Extra storage there. We'll go to this first bedroom over here. So you do have a ceiling fan in this one. Lots of space. And then you have this huge 3-door closet over here. So we'll take a look. You can see the shelving in there. It's quite deep. And then take a look at that room. Right, and then right next door to that is your bathroom. Again, you have a great tub shower combo, a great big mirror. And then here is the bedroom. This is the second bedroom. Again, not quite as big of a closet, but pretty close. You have quite a bit of storage in here too. I'll give you this one at a different angle.